Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Get away from there, Freeman. I'm expecting an important message. My
Hey,
God,
stop
what are
that.
you doing?
Come on, Gordon! You trying to get me into trouble?
Wouldn't it be fantastic to get some pure readings for a change? Someone has hidden my glasses again. Good morning, Gordon. Big day today, Freeman. The sample was just delivered to the test chamber. I can't be bothered right now. Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber half an hour ago? Please, leave me alone until after the experiment. Is anyone else getting hungry? I wonder if I can run that test again. My God, what are you doing?
Oh, you got the wrong airlock, Mr. Freeman. You know I can't let you through here.
That's odd. This is all within theoretical limits. Have you seen my coffee cup? Freeman? My God, what are you doing? Most of the simulation results are perfectly acceptable, you know. Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? Ah, it's good to see you. I hope those continuous
Welcome
parameters are
to
still
the
wrong.
HEV Mark IV protective system for use in hazardous environment conditions. High impact reactive armor activated. Atmospheric contaminant sensors activated. Vital sign monitoring activated. Automatic medical systems engaged. Defensive weapon selection system activated. Munition level monitoring activated. Communications interface online. Have a very safe day.
through, sir. Looks like you're in the barrel today.
Coded message for Captain Black, Command and Communication Center.
This should get us the communication, boys. I really don't know. Aren't you a bit worried about that exponential cascade scenario we discussed?
Ah, Gordon, here you are. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We've boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Bit of a gamble, but we need the extra resolution.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman.
It's about to go critical.
What the hell is going on with our equipment?
It wasn't meant to do this in the first place.
All displacement modulators were tuned today, weren't they?
I believe so. I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon.
Yes, but with good reason. This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And, potentially, the most unstable.
Now, if you follow standard insertion procedures, everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that, although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely.
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. We've assured the administrator that nothing will go wrong.
Ah, yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
Testing. Everything seems to be in order.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep
keep you comfortable through all this, the specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments. If you would be so good as to climb up and start the rotors, we can bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives. Very good. We'll take it from here.
Power to stage 1 emitters in 3, 2, 1. I'm seeing predictable phase arrays. Stage 2 emitters activating now.
Gordon, we cannot predict how long the system can operate at this level, nor how long the reading will take. Please, work as quickly as you can.
Overhead capacitors to 105%. It's probably not a problem. Probably, but I'm showing a small discrepancy in... Well, no, it's well within acceptable bounds again. Sustaining sequence.
I've just been informed that the sample is ready, Gordon. It should be coming up to you any moment now. Look to the delivery system for your specimen. Standard insertion for a non-standard specimen. Go ahead, Gordon. Slot the carrier into the analysis port.
What is he doing in there?
Nothing you need to worry about, Gordon. That's it. Go ahead.
Oh dear!
Gordon, get away from the beam.
Shutting down.
No.
Attempting shutdown. It's not. It's not shutting down. It's not.
Why didn't they listen?
We tried to warn them.
I never thought I'd see a resonance cascade, let alone create one.
Gordon, you're alive. Thank God for that hazard suit. I'm afraid to move him and all our phones are out. Please, get to the surface as soon as you can and let someone know we're stranded down here. You'll need me to activate the retinal scanners. I'm sure the rest of the science team will gladly help you. Glad to oblige a fellow scientist. I'll wait right here. Wouldn't you like to have some of these blood samples?
Power 15%.
Gordon! Man, am I glad to see you. What the hell are these things? And why are they wearing science team uniforms?